Welcome back, foodies! Today we're embarking on an extraordinary culinary journey, the ultimate summer adventure, our very own chocolate ice stick expedition. Now I hope you've come prepared with your sweet tooth sharp and ready, because we're about to dive headfirst into an enchanting world of delectable and rich chocolatey goodness. Imagine the silky sensation of the cocoa melting on your tongue, the crunch of the stick in your hand, and the cool, refreshing feel of the ice. It's an experience that transcends the boundaries of taste and texture. So, fellow food, are you ready to embark on this sweet expedition? Remember, the journey is best savored in good company, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to join us on our tasty journey and be part of our ever-growing foodie family. Alright folks, let's hit the pavement and see what delightful surprises lie ahead for us. The city streets are brimming with a promise of sweet revelations. Rumors whisper enticing tales of chocolate ice sticks, legendary treats that have the power to awaken even the slumbering taste buds of the most stoic gourmands. Imagine, if you will, an icy dessert dipped in the purest of chocolates, a symphony of flavors that dances across your tongue, teasing and delighting your senses. It's a delight, an experience, an adventure we're embarking on. This is our mission, my friends. Yes, we're an army of sweetness seekers marching through the urban jungle, eyes peeled for our coveted prize. Can you feel the excitement? Can you taste the adventure? And there they are. Aha! Look at these beauties, resplendent in their frozen chocolatey glory. It's stepping into Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, but without the Oompa Loompas. Time to get our hands on these frozen delights. Now that's what I call a flavor explosion. It's an awakening of the taste buds, an irresistible melange of sweet and bitter, like a symphony played on the strings of your tongue. And it's not just a treat for the palate, but a visual spectacle too. A rich decadent of brown with a glistening surface that promises the delight that waits beneath. As I take the first bite, a wave of chocolatey goodness washes over me, making my eyes close in sheer ecstasy. It's a sensation that's hard to explain, like the first blush of dawn or the whispering melody of lullaby. It's the kind of pleasure that stops you in your tracks, makes you forget about the world, even if it's just for a moment. This isn't just a dessert. It's a trip to a land of sugar-spun dreams and cocoa-laced fantasies. It's the kind of escapade that fills you with a childish glee, the pure, innocent joy that we all often forget as we get caught up in the monotonous grind of is a celebration of life's simple pleasures, a testament to the magic of culinary excellence. It's like a party in my mouth and everyone's invited. In this moment, I'm not just savoring a dessert, I'm embarking on an enchanting journey, riding the waves of blissful indulgence. And while I'm here, in this blissful cocoon of chocolate ecstasy, I can't help but think about the power of food, how it can bring comfort, joy, and even healing. They say laughter is the best medicine, but perhaps, just perhaps, chocolate is a close second. Or maybe it's even first. Because right now, it feels like I'm not just satisfying my sweet tooth, I'm healing my soul. So, don't mind me, I'll just be here, lost in my world of chocolate dreams, on a mission to spread the joy, one ice stick at a time. If chocolate can heal, then maybe, just maybe, I'm about to cure world hunger, one ice stick at a time. Uh-oh, we're reaching critical chocolate meltdown. Brace yourselves, folks, it's an imminent chocolatey disaster, and I'm in need of a spoon, stat. We've managed to dodge a catastrophe, but let's take a moment to appreciate the real hero here. Chocolate ice sticks, our faithful antidote to the worst of blues. There's something about that heady blend of cocoa and cream that can make just about anything seem more bearable. So whenever life throws a curveball, consider indulging in this delectable treat. Now, fellow food enthusiasts, what a whirlwind journey we've embarked on together. Our expedition through the land of chocolatey delight has been an unforgettable one. And I hope you enjoyed each bite as much as I did. Alas, as say, all good things must come to an end. But despair not, we've got plenty of taste tests and food infatuations waiting for us in the horizon. Make sure to comment down below with your favorite summer treat. I'm always looking for inspiration, so I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to stay updated with my culinary quests. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your fellow food-loving friends. Let them in on our secret haven of sweets and treats after all. The more, the merrier. Until we meet again, I encourage you to keep exploring, keep indulging, always keep that sweet smile. So for now, farewell, and remember, the world is your oyster, or in our case, a box of chocolates. Bye for now.